In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to receive customer payments in Xero. If you're ready to streamline your payment process in Xero, then stay tuned as we walk through this step-by-step guide. Let's begin by navigating to the Xero homepage. Once you've logged in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard, which serves as the central hub for all your business's financial activities. From the homepage, locate and click on the Sales option. This area is where all your sales-related transactions are tracked and managed. With the Sales tab now open, turn your attention to the Sales settings. Here, you'll be able to customize and adjust how you handle customer transactions within Xero. Click on Sales settings and explore the various options available to you. When you're in Sales settings, the next important step is to click on Online Payments. Setting this up is crucial for smooth transactions as it allows your customers to pay you directly through online gateways. Whether you want to use PayPal, Stripe, or another service, this is where those connections are made. Speaking of PayPal, click on the PayPal link to either add or manage your PayPal connection. It's important to ensure that your PayPal account is properly linked to Xero, allowing for seamless payment processing. Double-check that the connection is active, so payments can easily flow into your account. Once your online payment system is configured, switch your focus to the invoice settings. Navigate back to the previous menu and then click on Invoice Settings. This area lets you adjust invoice templates and preferences, ensuring they reflect your brand and necessary legal information. Inside Invoice Settings, you'll see an Options button. Clicking on this reveals a list of actions you can take with your invoices. Right now, choose the Edit option, which will allow you to update or modify any existing invoice templates. With your invoice template open, click on Payment Services. In the Payment Services section, you'll need to select your preferred payment mode. Whether it's credit card, direct debit, or any online payment platform, make sure you choose the mode that best suits your business needs. Lastly, after making all the adjustments and setting your preferences, don't forget to click on You. This action finalizes all the changes, ensuring that your settings are updated. By doing so, you'll be ready to efficiently receive customer payments with ease. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll have set up a comprehensive system for receiving customer payments in Xero, streamlining both your workflow and customer experience. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to always keep your software up to date to take advantage of the latest features.